the only SEO checklist you need for Google ranking. Certainly, Google ranking is achieved through a series of strategic steps. Here's a comprehensive SEO checklist divided into stages to help you optimize your website effectively. Step 1. Keyword research and analysis. 1. Identify relevant keywords. Try the Google Keyword Planner to uncover keywords related to your content. 2. Long-tail keywords are the best fit for precise and personalized search queries. 3. Competitor analysis. Identify gaps and opportunities by studying competitors' keywords and strategies. 4. User intent. Create content that satisfies search queries by understanding the user intent behind the keywords. Step 2. On-page SEO. 1. Title tags. Ensure that your title tag has your primary keyword and not more than 60 characters. 2. Meta descriptions. Make sure to include relevant keywords in well-written meta descriptions to boost click-through rates. 3. Header tags. Make use of headers such as H1, H2, and H3 to structure content and incorporate keywords into the headers. 4. URL structure. Instead of random characters, SEO-friendly URL with descriptive keywords. 5. Image optimization. Reduce image size, give descriptive names, and create alt text based on keywords. 6. Internal linking. Make navigation easier and enhance user experience by linking relevant pages in your site. 7. Content quality. Create content that will help educate and provide entertainment to the readers. Step 3. Technical SEO. 1. Mobile-friendly design. Make your site mobile-friendly and optimize the user experience. 2. Page speed. Reduce image size, set up browser caching, and eliminate unnecessary code to boost loading speed. 3. SSL certificate. Secure website with HTTPS for user trust and SEO rankings. 4. XML sitemap. Produce an XML sitemap and send it to search engines so that they index your website effectively. 5. Robots.txt file. Ensure you check and improve your robots.txt file to control search engine crawlers' access. 6. Canonical URL. Implement canonical tags to eliminate duplicate content problems. Step 4. Off-page SEO. 1. Backlinks. Generate high-quality backlinks from credible websites by guest blogging outreach and partnerships. 2. Social signals. Post more regularly on social media to create more social signals and increase brand visibility. 3. Online reviews. Attract positive online reviews on platforms like Google My Business for local SEO benefits. 4. Influencer marketing. Work with influencers to reach broader audiences and get quality backlinks. Step 5. Regular monitoring and optimization. 1. Google Analytics. Install Google Analytics in order to measure website traffic, user behavior, and key metrics. 2. Google Search Console. You can use Google Search Console to check website performance, crawl errors, and submit sitemaps. 3. Performance analysis. Conduct ongoing optimization using SEO strategies, keywords, and backlink profiling of top competitors. 4. Content updates. Keep your content fresh by updating it and optimizing it with new information and keywords. However, SEO is an ongoing process. Constantly upgrade your strategies, taking into account search engine algorithms, user behavior, and industry trends in order to keep and enhance your Google rankings over time.